Hey there, do you want a clean desktop? Learn how to remove the recycle bin icon with this quick and easy tutorial. We will also cover how you can bring the recycle bin icon back to your desktop in case you change your mind later on. Let's get started. The way to do this depends on your version of Windows, as the process has changed over time. Here, I am using Windows 11, but the process is more or less similar to Windows 10. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and select Personalize. This will open your personalization settings. Next, select Themes on the right side. Then scroll down and click Desktop Icon Settings. A new window opens. Under Desktop Icon, uncheck the Recycle Bin option. Click Apply to apply changes made to remove the recycle bin icon from your desktop view, and then click OK to confirm and exit. If you want to add the icon back at any time, just go back to Personalization Settings, then Themes, then Desktop Icon Settings, and check the Recycle Bin option back on. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to confirm and exit. The icon will now reappear on your desktop. The recycle bin will still be accessible in Windows, it just won't show as an icon on your desktop anymore. To access it, open File Explorer, now type recycle bin at the address bar, and then click OK. Alternatively, you can also scroll down at the address bar and locate the recycle bin. And that's it on this tutorial for removing the recycle bin icon from your desktop in Windows. Thanks for watching.